Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 990Z. First, determine if your organization qualifies. This form is for tax-exempt organizations with gross receipts under $200,000 and total assets under $500,000. If your organization meets these criteria, you're in the right place. We'll cover the essential sections to ensure accurate reporting to the IRS. Next, let's look at the key sections. Part I requires a summary of your organization's revenue, expenses, and changes in net assets. This gives the IRS a quick financial overview. Part II focuses on your balance sheet, reporting assets and liabilities at the end of the tax year. Finally, Part III is where you describe your organization's significant activities and mission. Moving on to financial reporting and schedules. In Part III, clearly state your program service accomplishments, detailing how your organization fulfills its mission. You'll likely need to attach schedule if your organization is a public charity. Also, remember to complete Schedule B if you received contributions totaling more than $5,000 from any one contributor. Before submitting, carefully review every entry on your Form 990Z for accuracy. Double-check all calculations and ensure all required signatures are present, including that of an officer. An incomplete or incorrect form can lead to delays or penalties. Once everything is verified, you can submit your form electronically or by mail. Also, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.